Ka Social Forestry and Environment Wing haringkat ke jingas no aktilang bat ke Neigrihms kala Rakhe ya ka World Environment Day 2024 hapelau jong ke Neigrihms Shillong halor kapang putting an end to plastic pollution. Chief Secretary ke Jela uba DP Walang IAS ula kedau ya ke jingdon kam banyada ya ka Mariang bat ke jingdon kam bakirki ban sange penjabo ya ki wa kumkawa umkra ki kena skul kilatung palat sanspa ateli ki tenrai ding bat lasam khusnam ru shakinong job jong ki jinya ko bapher hapdeng ki skul ka program kala banjur halor ki jiga shibenta jong ka imlang salang bat ke jingkit kli ha ka bayadei bat ke jing bread ya ki jabo jaban kum shibenta jong ka jing Rakhe World Environment Day ka 67th Battalion jong ka CRPF kala penlong ya ki jing thung ding ha ka thain polo Shillong.
We have tried all tricks to make it clean, but I won't say it's a total failure, but it is a big challenge. If you see across the bridges near the river, we have tried to barricade it so that people don't throw rubbish on the river. Then also we find a way of throwing rubbish at different places, and if you see on weekends, some of our friends who are environmentally conscious, they go and clean once in a while.